Hey guys, Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and the little video you just seen there, the little clip, if you haven't got that message yet, it's only a matter of time that you will in these Jeep JTs and JLs. It's the auto start and stop feature. These things have a second battery under your primary. It's a little bitty battery that starts going out, giving you problems usually pretty quick. In 30,000 miles or a year and a half, 2 years roundabout. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of that battery altogether. Supposedly you're supposed to be able to pull the fuse number 42 out and disconnect your ground. Well, if you're between an 18 and 20, you can just disconnect the ground. Supposedly, I don't have. I've got a 21, so I don't know. I don't have no way to verify this. But there's 3 wires here. You have this wire and this wire, and this is the one you got to disconnect. On the 18, it's over here on this side, and through 20. 18 through 20, it's on this side instead of over here. Well, 21, they changed it. Now this is a whole big piece that goes right here. So we're going to try to disconnect that and pull the number 42 fuse and see if that fixes our problem. Supposedly it will. We'll see. To remove the fuse, take your fuse box cover off. You got 2 tabs here and here. Squeeze them. Pulls right up. So if you look on here, 42 is right here. And that's your auto start and stop. So right there, the little red one, little 10 amp. We're going to remove it. You've got these little fuse pullers right here that come with it. We're going to give it a pull. Pull that guy out. And you got a spare fuse holder right there. We're just going to let it hang out. Oop. Hard to do one-handed. Is it right here? It might be right there. There you go. Actually, nope. Right here. We're just going to let that hang out right there. And we're going to set these back right there. So what we're going to do next is take this guy loose here. This is a 13 millimeter. That one is a 10. And then we're going to take this wire here off. And if it fixes it, we'll wrap it up with some heat shrink and zip tie it back out here out of the way. Now take your wire here, put that back on there so we don't lose it. Take this wire you took off of here, put it back on here. Actually, swap it around. Snug it down, and then we'll check it. Alright guys, so removing fuse 42 and removing this battery lead on the 21 and up, the negative here. It looks like an L20 down. It don't have that. It's just a small wire. Done the trick. All I had to do was disconnect the battery, completely reset the computer, and then put it all back together, and boom. So now we are going to just tape this up. I had some heat shrink that I thought would fit. from Harbor Freight. It's a good size heat shrink, but it won't get over this little stud here. And I really don't want to cut it, so I'm just going to tape it up. I don't love using electrical tape. It works all right, but once it gets hot, it starts to get sticky and it's just a mess. Heat shrink is much better if you can find it to fit over this. Another option, you could probably cut that stud down if you wanted to retain this, or just cut this whole thing off if you want. That's up to you, and then heat shrink it. But for now, I'm just going to use this electrical tape. Put it on there good and thick. And then zip tie it out of the way. Like I said, you really want this thick as you can get it, so it don't rub and short out. And you'll enjoy taking it off if you ever have to take it off. So, but I'm just going to fold it back here on itself and zip tie it to the ground, and kind of tuck it here by this battery, just like that. So if something does happen, it's on a ground, because it is a ground. So tuck it up under, pull it tight. There we go. Now we just got to cut that off, and I don't have my pocket knife. There we are. Got that cut, and that's it. That's all there is to it. We'll fire it up, show you there's no codes. All right. Now I know I need windshield washer fluid. All right, so that's just a kind of a little quick fix there. If you're happy with that, good. If you want to take the battery out altogether, take this off, and you've got 4 7mm screws here. You pop them out, and then there's 4 clips that go around this box. You'll see it. I'll pull you over here. They go around this box. There's one there. You pull it up, pull it back, and hold it off to the side with like a bungee, so it stays up out of your way. Ooh, get you back here, so it stays out of your way. And then you got big cannon plugs. You pull them out of the way, and then there's I think 3 or 4 10mm and 1 7 down in there that takes the cover off, and then 2 10mm takes the battery out. I didn't want to go that route. If it does give me any more problems, I will. But right now, it seems to be fine. So I'm just going to let it do its thing there. I forget that this hood flips back like this, because mine, somebody put these hydraulic struts on here. Oh, no. So I forget about it, or I'd have done that to begin with, and y'all would have been able to see a lot better. yeah, so it's just something that part of owning a Jeep. One of the luxuries, you can fold the hood all the way back. Handy, really handy. If you remember, it does it. But I hope this helped, guys. If you had any questions, just leave a comment. And if you would, hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps. And I hope to see you guys in 2 weeks. Today, let's see, this will probably come out on, this come out on the 1st. So, Jay, Oklahoma, what is that, 12th, 13th, 14th? No, 13th, 14th, 15th. In Jay, Oklahoma at Overland of America. Hope to see you guys there. It's going to be a heck of an event with the 2 pools, lazy river, 4 trails, and we're actually going up there early, and he got access to some more land, and we're going to try to get at least 1 trail, maybe 2 more trails set up for it too. So I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in going. Check it out. Like I said, it's going to be an awesome event. Really happy to be a part of it, and happy to help map the trails. So I'll even put the Gaia information in the description too, so you can download it, the Gaia and Onyx. You can download that, and if you do come, you'll already have it, won't have to mess with it. And it's got everything listed on there, from where the bathrooms and showers are to the trails, vendor location, event locations, all on the site of Mid-America Outdoors. So anyway, guys, I hope this helped, and until next time, simplify and God bless.